Ta-da! Unboxing! That's so pathetic, isn't it? But unboxing a fireplace. Whoop, whoop! Already did it. Saved you the trouble of watching us actually take it out of the box. There it is. A new fireplace. Woo! Going to show you how it works in action later. When I say we, I mean Alan. Okay, see you later. Okay, so here's our new fire. And there's the monkey putting... Ow, I can't believe we just picked up a log of wood that was on fire. It's asbestos cans. We've got these new little... What are they called? Fans. And when the fire gets hot, the fans spin around. They look like Christmas trees, look. And when the fans spin around with the heat that comes out of these grates, it distributes the heat throughout the house. It's smoking a lot now because the chimney has not been used, I think, for about 10 years. So anyway, oh my God, it's gone out so quickly. So it's going to take time to get used to this fire, but we'll show you when it's all working beautifully. Oh my God, a super update. Look at the fan, it's working. It's generating heat. I don't know. It's in the wrong place anyway, and it should be pushing heat from the fire into the rest of the house. But anyway, it's working. That's what it looks like when it's static, and that's what it looks like when it's